Okay, this is number 5, 8.5, day 1, stating the restrictions, right? So I'm assuming we already added these together. That part, you just combine the numerator to keep the denominator. But as restrictions go, it's going to be, in any sort of fraction question, the restrictions are when is this denominator equal to 0? And the reason is if you divide by 0, like say we have something up here divided by 0 or something up here divided by 0, if any denominator is 0, then it creates an error, right? Again, ask Mrs. Litchi what is 8 divided by 0. She can't tell you. It's not possible. So when it says restriction, it just says what number for like D makes the denominator or denominators in this case 0, right? And so it's really the same thing on both of these. If you solve these, minus 1 divided by 2, you get D is negative 1/2, and that is considered a restriction. Basically, D can't be that number because if it was, we would divide by 0. So if you want to be really, really specific here, right, if D is negative 1/2, the top would be negative 1/2 minus 3, and then the bottom would be 2 times negative 1/2 plus 1. So we'd have negative 3.5 up top, negative 3.5, divided by negative 1 plus 1, and we'd have negative 3.5 divided by 0, and that would air out, right? And it doesn't matter. You can have zeros in the numerator. That's okay. Litchi can do 0 divided by 8. That's possible. That's just 0. But you cannot have 0 in the denominator. So in that case, D cannot be negative 1/2, and that's called a restriction. All right, hopefully that helps.